This here is the 14-inch Poulan Pro. There's the number there. 14-inch blue Oregon chain on here. Let's see if I can get you. There we go. So it's alright. The chain and the bar itself, I was looking on Amazon, $42. I bought this chainsaw for $108 at Lowe's. I went super blurry. Bought it for $108 at Lowe's. So what is that? What, maybe 60, not even 60, like $58 just for the motor and $40 for the bar and the chain. 42. Anyways, that doesn't matter, but it's just strange. But it's a cheap saw. 33cc. Top, you choke. Very cool with the spring. Helps reduce fatigue and vibration, I guess. Brake works good. If anyone who hasn't used a chainsaw, if you're holding it and like say your hand slips or something, instead of going and hitting the chain, you hit that and it stops the chain from moving. It's a brake. It stops a clutch. So overall, pretty good saw. She's a little cold-natured. She don't really want to start, but once you get it like hot and you're using it, she starts up. But that cold start, it's a rough one. But I'm gonna get you a shot, try to run it, and yeah. Here is the chain oil. Husqvarna. You can use whatever. It's good stuff. I use Husqvarna with the mixing the 2-cycle right there. Yeah, gas goes there. And pretty simple. So